Today I'm looking at the ORAIMO Power Cube 201 20 watts charger kit to see what it really offers. Inside the box you get the 20 watts charger brick and a USB charging cable. Simple packaging, nothing overdone, but everything is neatly organized. My first impression, the first thing I noticed is how compact it is. It's lightweight and easy to carry, which makes it good for traveling or everyday use. It doesn't take up space, which is always a plus. Why I bought it? I got this to match the new power setup alongside my PowerGen 501. I needed a reliable everyday charger from a trusted brand that supports fast charging standards. So the specification, looking at the specification, the Power Cube 2.1 offers up to 20 watts of fast charging through its USB-C port and up to 18 watts through its USB-A port. It supports modern charging technology like Power Delivery 3.0 and Quick Charge 3.0, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphone and accessories. One feature I really appreciate is the dual port design. That means I can charge two devices from the same charger without carrying multiple charging bricks. The charger is always designed with several inbuilt safety protection to help guard against overheating, overcharging, and power surge. Another advantage is the compact size. It's small enough to fit easily into a backpack, laptop bag, or even a pocket. So to common myths, let's clear up some confusion here. The 20 watts charger does not force your phone to charge at 20 watts. The phone controls how much power it accepts because your phone must support that charging speed, and the charging cable also plays a vital role. So if your phone only supports 10 watts or 18 watts, that's what it will draw. So what I like about this charger is it's compact and portable. It supports modern fast charging and it feels like a reliable everyday charger. So the potential limitations is if your device doesn't support fast charging, you won't fully benefit from the 20 watt output. Also, high-end phones today may support fast charging speed beyond 20 watts. So this sits more in the practical everyday use category. My final verdict. Overall, the Power Cube 201 feels like a solid and practical charger. Nothing overly complicated, just something that works well for daily charging needs. The real value will come from long-term reliability. So for more real tech review and honest breakdown, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for new post notification when it drops.